Hi, David Hallett with another update about our Public Works Conference 2025 coming up on the 14th, 15th and 16th of May. Today I want to tell you about our technical tours. We've got 4 of them lined up and they're all a great way to close out your conference experience. The first one is a visit to Port Melbourne to the National Transport Research Organisation offices, where we're going to hear about the Fisherman's Redevelopment plans and take a look at a couple of water-sensitive urban design projects completed just nearby. That's going to be fantastic, and we thank the NTRO for supporting this tour. Second one is a visit to the North East Link project, one of the biggest civil infrastructure projects undertaken in Melbourne, several $1 billion worth of work, and we're going to take a look behind the hoardings. That's going to be great too. The third one is in the waste management space. We're heading out to the north of Melbourne. We're going to take in a tyre processing plant and also an organic waste reprocessing facility. It's going to be interesting to see what they're doing, but also interesting to understand how their work can be incorporated into sustainable infrastructure projects. The final one, and we don't need to announce this one, is again a look behind the hoardings at the Prince's Bridge restoration works being undertaken by the City of Melbourne. That's a walking tour, the others are coach tours. Don't forget to register for at least one of them when you're registering for our conference, and when you're registering, of course, don't forget to register for the conference dinner. Early bird rates close on the 14th of March, which is getting pretty close, so please register early.